In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a user's phone number in Telegram. This is a quick walkthrough that shows you exactly where to look, along with a few notes about what you can and can't see based on privacy settings, so you know what to expect before you start. Begin by opening Telegram and going into the specific chat with the person whose number you want to check. You need to be inside that conversation, not just in the recent chats list. Once you are in the chat, look to the top of the screen for their profile area. On mobile, that's usually their name and profile picture at the top. Tap that header to open their profile. On desktop, click the chat title or the small profile pane on the right. If it's visible, that opens the same profile view. In the profile, you'll see their basic details. This is where you look for the phone number. Depending on your platform and app version, it may be labeled as phone, mobile, or displayed under info or contact details. If the number is available to you, it will appear here alongside other profile information. If you see it, you are done. This is the official place in Telegram where numbers are shown. Now, here is the important part about privacy. Telegram gives every user control over who can view their phone number. If they've set their number visibility to nobody, or to my contacts and you are not saved in their contacts, the number will not appear in their profile for you. That's expected behavior and not a glitch. In those cases, you'll still be able to view other public details like their username or bio. And you can continue chatting with them through Telegram without needing their phone number. But the number itself will remain hidden. There isn't a button you are missing or a hidden menu you need to unlock. If the number doesn't show up in the profile, it simply isn't shared with you under their current settings. Telegram's design protects that choice, and here is no in-app method to override it. Keep in mind that usernames in Telegram are intended to let people connect without exchanging phone numbers. So it's completely normal not to see a number for many contacts. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.